Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hello, people. Welcome back to Kenny Justice. My glasses feel fog up. I realize I'm in the driver's seat. I'm gonna feel like almost every video I get from what day I just spare driving video. But I'm here. I drink some peanut porridge. Not even for me. We're on sure if we go get some patty. I'm on the road. Obviously. We're going on a trip today. So I'm run out early if we go get my hair done. Just to wash my hair, just because nothing fancy. Just regular wash hair situation. And then we're heading to Mass. It's Labor Day weekend. I feel like many people as a family we're not gonna know if the whole summer. So before it starts get cool and stuff, let's take advantage of this holiday. So we'll go to the Great Wolf Lodge, spend the weekend, and come back Monday. We'll go home, get ready, and head out. So you'll be seeing the entire family in a little bit. Go watching the clothes and something, and head to Mass. Like, this is what happens. I can't even see in this. So yeah, guys, so if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video. Go ahead and share it. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Okay? And go ahead and check out the rest of my videos as well. Okay? It's not hot mess. Fishes did a broke out and I do all these things like some dirty girl. I don't know what's going on with it, but you know, it is what it is. Hey guys, so we're all packed up and we're ready to go. The kiddos in the back. Say hello.
Hello.
Just Nancy. TJ, say hi. So what? It's a walk. So we're just making a quick stop. And then we're gonna head off. Hopefully, huh? You knew I was gonna make a video?
Yeah, I just knew.
Yeah, because we don't know. Yeah, coming to do no video from when. And my watch time I dropped and stuff, and I can only blame myself. It's been a while, right? Over 12 years. Crazy. So we are off on our journey for the first time in a very, very long time since COVID come in. We do nothing as a family, like we go out and enjoy ourselves. We haven't had a family vacation in a very, very, very long time. And we're kind of just cautious and conscious about whole COVID and stuff. So we kind of just don't go nowhere. So we don't take a chance. There's lots of prayer. And we're going to get just chill for the weekend and come back to work. We deserve it. Alright guys, so when we actually on our journey, we just made one quick stop. So when we're on the journey,
Mama.
I'll get back to you guys.
Mama.
Tavania Knuckle people. Just in a buff joke. It's so knuckle to drive, Papa. It's so unsafe to sleep. Everybody I got somewhere today, Labor Day weekend, road busy. And it's a beautiful day. Like it's our first holiday so far. We've been having no cold and no rain. No matter how nice the place be in a week. As soon as holiday come, this movement, this holiday first, and they said over news to that too. Our first holiday so far that we have one beautiful weather. Busy. Oh, the Ferris wheel, like.
It's one.
people. Some left on the traffic. Like I whole neighborhood I go. Have fiance.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Massachusetts 31 North.
Oh, that's a nice house for girls.
Turn left onto Massachusetts 31 North.
True,
31 North for 4 miles.
What are the cornfields? So I'll say over here for myself. Like I was on Ducky Show saying. We're here. From their own drive and everything. Yes. Who's at the part there?
What's the password?
I think that they call it Paul. Woo! Here it is just then.
Yeah, I'm sure there.
You're not going there? Good to go. Speed bump. We're here. Grateful Flash. When I Alright, you're finally here. Just the one that always do that. She just wake up.
Well, what time is up? Yeah, green thing, is it?
Yeah, but it's a water slide. TJ, you're gonna know in there?
So what inside this? What inside this?
Go over there, baby.
What inside this?
Do not enter.
I'm not talking about that. That look place it park. See.
Guys, we're here and we're so excited. It took us an hour and 45 minutes roughly. It's in a country area.
One
No,
more
Mr.
minute then.
And Tavania just wake up
She does that all the time.
all the time. As much as that look cool, you know, I'm a water fan. The big old beard there, funny thing. I see him. I'm a great wolf. A beard. The wolf. I'm saying my great wolf, I'm a beer. That makes no sense. Alright, guys, we're here.
Have fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
You excited, Tristan?
excited.
Pop off. Oh, mask.
Yeah. Have it.
You have it? From Honest? Oh. That's it, man.
You ready to start?
Huh? We just got it, yeah. Alright guys, we're here. Well, come out to the people in here. Yeah? Your AirPod case? You want anything else in your apart from the food? What about you, Darkers? A knife?
You can't really take out the next. We're not doing something right now because we can't check in yet.
I mean, but it's on the earliest 3:30. We're early still.
We'll go check first.
Okay. So leave them here in then. Mm. Mm?
Wake up.
I try supposed to fix them. And I break the rotor. Hey! Come here. Just TJ, hold on for him. You wake up?
Yes. I think I'm
Hold on for him, you know, because I remember saying, just, you know what, Tristan, TJ, hold on for him.
Oh, hey.
Oh, let's go. Alright.
Mama.
Let's go.
Mama.
Huh? Why? What happened? We'll soon get our bags. We're going to check to see if we can actually... We already check in. But we're going to see how early we can go in our room.
Mommy, just my car step on the green stop over.
I did.
Yeah.
Come on, go hold on, Daddy.
Daddy.
Not me, hand baby. Great job. You look bad. I hope the room them sexy.
Looks like a motel.
Huh?
Looks like a motel.
It's a, well, it's a 3-star, so when I expect 5-star. What else?
What's up, boy?
It's already.
That's what it looks like.
Guys, I don't feel disappointed yet. I kind of feel excited. Tristan, how you feel?
I feel awesome.
You feel awesome? Looking forward to your trip? I'll go first. Oh, I'm 65. What do you mean you left mommy alone? I'm going to pay mommy Anya.
Messi from Amazon, we want to buy. It was a waterproof case phone. You can use it underwater.
Oh, really?
$25 fee.
You don't go underwater?
So right here, you can you go in the water and take a picture. And
You don't go underwater? Try you can't swim underwater? Like in a real life? Real question. Eh? Like would you do like snorkeling and then something there?
maybe not.
Careful. Okay.
Think about.
Alright, go hold on to your hand and go on. Oh, you sure? Hold on.
This is a conference center, so you can just already wind in there.
This is
Straight. Yeah. Alright guys, so we'll check out and see if we can actually check in early because technically you don't check in until 4 o'clock. I did tell them that we would reach here roughly 3:30. No, we're going to check to see if we can check in first before we grab our stuff because I don't want to... Well, you know, so we should have grabbed something and then if I need to, we're still in the waiting room. You understand? Or it would mean so you have to drive, come all the way around to stop with the car. I will take your stuff. Okay. Please don't care. Careful. Tristan, look at those wolves over there. See them? You want to take a picture with them too? Huh? You okay? You scared? Tell the camera, say, I'm scared. guys, I'm not feel disappointed yet. The place looks kind of exciting, so looking forward to see what they have to offer, especially to ensure that the kids enjoy themselves, because it's all about the kids. Tell them to subscribe. You want to go over there? I want to take a picture over there. That is the gift shop. So guys, we are checked in. We're just walking around trying with my photo bag. So are you scared of this? Huh? It's not real, Mama. It's not real. You want to take a picture right there, Tristan? In here is, Tristan, come hold on to me. There's a workshop area. We can build up there later on.
What?
We'll dig up there later on. Want to bear with before you guys leave?
Yeah.
So we'll be able to come down and do all of this. Let's go check in first. Ooh, this is cute. Want that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I take it?
No, baby, we have to buy them. Okay? And it's just like Build-A-Bear. Remember when you Build-A-Bear? Alright, come on, let's go check out the rest of the stuff. Yes, baby? You want that one? Alright, let's check in first and then we can come back down and grab what we want, okay? Okay? Alright, Tristan, come on. This is a magic area. Huh? We'll get them shortly. Maybe we'll go up first now and then come back. We have to check out. Alright? There one. 17 $1. Oh my god, I see this is gonna be an expensive weekend. Come on. And that's the candy company. I see that? Arcades in there. Listen, this is the arcade that you say you want to come. I'm loving this, guys. Tristan, come. So we'll come down here and we'll have some fun later on, okay? Okay? You're gonna have to pay for the tokens and stuff. Wait. I see him.
Sorry about that.
That's okay. Come. Alright guys, so I feel like we're gonna have a blast on this weekend. I always wanted to do something like this for the kids. Just wanted to do like a one-stop place where you have all this fun and you can still stay over. So this is a perfect spot. And I'm excited to see, I mean, it looks expensive with the stuff that we made so far. But I am super excited, and I picked them up, brought my kids. I shall be saying, Tristan, we're going to use this as a yes day. You always ask for a yes day, right? You want this weekend to be a yes weekend? Yes? Yeah? Okay. So he's always asking for a yes day, so this may be his lucky day or lucky weekend. Yes, baby? he went to get the stuff. So we're sitting here waiting for Troy and TJ to come back with the stuff because we thought we were going to be too early for checking in. But by the time we joined the line and them see us, it was just time. Actually, we got checked in before 3:30. They said we could go to the room. It's now a little bit after 3:30 now. So we're going to go up to the room and chill for a second. I said, put him the one come back down immediately.
I want to play before we go upstairs.
No, I want to go upstairs and use the bathroom and
Today's
stuff.
my yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday not start yet.
That's what I was just about to ask.
Your yesterday start when we go for the room and put our stuff down. Yes. So we have time. You don't have to rush everything. Okay? Yeah, we're going to fire. Come on. Let's go. Hold on a moment. We're going to the room first. Guys, we are staying for 2 nights, yeah, that's 3, so we are staying for the whole week. Oh, sorry. Troy, I can go on. Just get one for just bit. Oh, that's okay. Thank you. A 5 away, so. Just stand back up. People coming down. Yes, that's the. Oh, we don't have borrow, but it's okay. Huh? Yeah, front press this. Tristan, go in front. Go, baby. Sure, come on.
Thank you.
Alright.
What floor?
5.
4, please.
Alright, cool.
She told me because we get in that free of it. We can't get each other. Try.
Wait, let me say something.
DJ so tall we can't get in that frame together.
What's going on?
Ooh, we're going on the elevator, mommy.
Both of them are glowing.
Yeah, the 4 gonna stop first.
It's going to 4 and it's going to 5.
I see that people are trying to get in that frame. That
It's already
shame,
good,
my
it's
son
lit.
Kira always telling me by
It's
far.
lit. When the see, it's no sea light gone because it's at 4 now. Okay?
Are you sure? Alright guys, we have one more to go up. And then we're gonna go in the room and we're excited and I wanna pee and I'm hungry.
But embarrass me.
I'm gonna embarrass you.
You're doing the most right now. I'm not gonna-
Definitely, baby. Tristan.
I'm embarrass you if I were alone in here.
Yeah.
Yes. Elevator, right?
Flat no.
Go ahead now.
Alright, wait, let's see. Our room number is stand up to me. 537.
What's going on?
This way. That way. 530.
537.
500 to 540. That way. We're 537. Listen, I got school for no reason. So wait, baby.
Machine. I don't want nothing from you, Daddy. Hold up. Wait. Hey!
Wait, we're gonna turn right. We're gonna turn right that way, baby. Go that way. Yep, go that way. Go further. Yeah. Try it. That bag will fit you.
A rainbow.
Let's see, 531. Honey?
Happy birthday.
Yeah, maybe they're having a birthday party. Come on, Savvy. Come on, baby. And they said they want to have a key.
They all have the key. Nothing.
Keep it going to John, hold it door. Go on, baby, go on. Let's let myself go on and teach you hold the door. You hungry? Huh? What? You can't see from down there?
Oh, that's the top of the building.
The room did look way bigger.
Mama, if I would drop on there, Mama, my whole body would be different.
This is our view.
Hey, wait, it's not you.
Not a good view, but a view.
That's one. Oh, for me, guys. Mama,
Yes, baby.
look at the table.
Yeah, you got a table.
The bed.
Yes, and bed. You want to go jump on the bed? And let's look at TV. And a fridge. And a fridge. Empty fridge.
What about popcorn?
Microwave.
Popcorn.
It said popcorn maximum.
Don't put your mask. Well, if you go, you might be a different mask, but don't put the mask like out like this.
Want to take out extra mask in that car? No? That means you don't know mask here. You have one full mask. You move it. It's a closet with a safe right there. And in the bathroom. Yeah.
Go look at it, Mama.
Hmm?
Go look at it.
Yeah, we got a bathroom right here. Yeah.
Should I open it, Mama?
So far it look clean. Try. We have a Lysol wipes now. We start wipe number 4.
Can I open it?
Would you carry Lysol?
Can I open it?
Wait, okay. No, but you can look that fuck.
I guess I put
No,
oil in there.
Yo,
Alright, I guess it look up what you can do, right? I thought if I want to spend, I think it'll be bigger. This is expensive. They look clean. You just ready to change, right? Alright guys, we're gonna rest out. So Tristan insists that he wanna go play an arcade game, I promised him yesterday. So we're gonna go play arcade. So we're gonna find back the elevator. And go so.
You know where to go, Mama?
I think so. It's an exit, so we follow the exit sign. Elevator, see the sign? Elevator, go that way. No, but you're gone.
Mama,
Yeah?
I can get honey.
Mm-hmm. No. Walk now. So I try. Alright, ground floor.
Huh? Go!
Down.
Kiki. Pedal.
Come, hold it with the hand. Let's go with that. Well, go. I'm watching you guys. Remember where it is? The one that's still afraid of something. Yeah? Wait, Tristan. Go figure out. Come on, Tristan. Let's go buy some token first. Don't leave your sister. Never ever leave your sister. Hold on her hand. Come this way. Look at the front. Huh? Sorry?
flash on your phone's on, by the way.
Oh yeah, I'm recording. Thank you. I need to get some tokens.
Was that
Need to purchase some tokens.
for the games?
Yeah.
How much you check on there?
Huh?
How much you check on there?
Let me. What's the amount that you have? Okay, sorry, I didn't see it.
Which one?
$50 worth.
50?
Yeah.
What does green say? I can't see. You pay with card? 440, okay. You're down to 5-0, right?
Yeah.
So this receipt on the top is the one you want to keep in case you lose your card.
Okay.
And then here's your card.
Thank you very much.
All right, have a good one.
You too. Alright, let's go. Go, TJ. These games are criminal. Them a thief. Them purposely no say now come up, they make it something very slippery. And then they go down and it barely touches it and then come up back and you have to spend so much money for that. Criminal. Thief, what's that? Not now. Yeah, see, same thing. You do it one time.
Come on, mama.
Alright, go.
No, I want to go on this one.
She chose it first. So, Tristan, come on, you want to exchange? You want the yellow one? Alright, TJ, good. TJ, help him. Help her. Tiana, let's take a picture right now. Come. Come. Alright, let's go. Take it to Tiana, fam. Wanna hold one? Alright guys, so we're in the restaurant. Apparently it's buffet style food. We're going to get some food. Troy's still up in the room eating, so it's just room sleeping. So it's just me and the kids just and stuff. So we're gonna get some food.
Subscribe or else I'm gonna come for you.
Stop that. So we're gonna get some food. We just finished playing a whole bunch of games. So yeah. Alright, Tristan.
I said I wanted chicken nuggets and teeter tots because that's what was on the menu.
Yeah. Slide up.
Okay.
This way. Miss Lucy, stay right with Dad. That's alright. That's fine, yeah.
Gonna. Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Just come on here. Take up one plate here. Take up one plate here.
Ooh, soft shells too.
Please dust it down. No, dust it down.
Let's see our soft taco. This way, you want meat, cheese, mac and cheese too.
Come on, your father. Let's see. I think let's see me how the things that me do it. Come in, your father. Come on, Savannah, you're gonna have to come for a second. Ooh,
Hey, you're gonna have to crack. You're gonna have to crack.
Daddy's coming, so Daddy will come and lift you up.
Want cheese on the top of it?
You want to grab one plate and continue? Or you want anything up there for Troy? Troy, you want anything up there, sir? It's a salad and stuff.
No, don't touch this. Please stop touching all Yeah.
You see anything you want to Tristan?
Take your sister.
Really?
Fried nuggets.
Okay. Put some of that for Savannah, Tristan, TJ. Put some of that in this for Savannah. And kind of look juicy. $22 plate, man. Take every damn thing. Really for money.
I'll pass them your foot on this. That's too
You want to put it, sir?
Don't touch it.
Oh, thank you. It's okay?
Just smooth it down, TJ, and then do some
Yeah, it's okay. Where you say I put in it, just TJ? Where you say I put in
I'll
it?
pass them your foot in it. We'll tell on your plate.
Huh?
Tell on your plate.
Come on. You want anything else, Tristan?
I'm alright.
Do I take that and go to the table? Remember where the table is?
Someone there too.
Let's make a big cut one up now. It's coming over to the separator. Huh? So if I'm working on that food, I'm going to check out for Giovanni. I'm sorry.
No, you're okay. No need to apologize.
I feel like I'm taking it the whole
That's
night.
right. I had to send the kids to the table too.
Yeah.
It's all right. I was running out of hand.
To the board.
Look under.
To the board, though. Oh, no, we are fucking.
At the table. Oh, this salmon look good. You have to come back. Guys, I'm not gonna eat this out, but I'm still take everything because it's $20, $22. Oh, ribs. Come on, let's do it now. Ribs. What? Alright. Some good food. Alright, Timmy. Cool. Yeah. Alright, so everybody eating. Dragon eating food because he come down late. So I'm gonna take everything. The ham kind of looks too pink for me. Or ham tastage.
Just like ham.
Yeah? So you want some ketchup, Mama?
Yeah.
Get a ketchup right there. See? Stir it, just stand up.
I think you're going to where you put the card in your pocket? You drop out? Oh, Johnny, you can't. Oh, I'm leaving. Come on the way home.
DJ. Come on now, come here. Who's saying? Pick which one you want to put on. Seven. Seven, go. Which one do you want to put on here? Which one put on one thing? That one? Sure? What about this one? This is so cute. Look. This is so pretty. No, this one? Let's do this one. That one? Yeah. What is this pretty one? Do you have any of these?
What do you want in the jockey?
Do you have any of these there?
No, we sadly ran out of those. Hopefully we restock. What day are you here until?
Next Monday.
Okay, hopefully we restock by then. But this is not any guarantees that they will.
Well, take up the dress on it. Don't leave the dress. You're gonna put the dress on the one. Take it out. Yeah, you're gonna put the dress on the one. You're gonna take the dress. When you feel the monkey, you're gonna put it on.
You really gonna pick out an outfit? And here's your pair. Thank you. You wanna go pick out an outfit for him? Okay. Would you like to help me out and
Yeah.
say? Monkey? What sound does it make? And just let me say something.
Don't forget certificate.
Just let me see. Okay.
Hey guys, good morning. It's day 2. We're heading to get some breakfast. This way, baby. Get some breakfast. I'm tired. Go ahead and open that. I'm tempted to do this real bad. Can I see you open that? There's a blanket inside of it. Please, please, please. Don't press it anymore, Mama.
Don't press it.
Oh, you guys can go since it's just to you. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Hey guys, we're in, they have a Dunkin' Donuts spot here, and the line is along us here till tomorrow. So TJ joined the line for us while we're chilling. Because they insisted on one Dunkin' Donuts regardless. I'm not sure they know. Huh? So we're actually the last person in the line. No lie. There are two other family. So we're waiting. Hello. I'm good. You? Good. Alright guys, I am heading downstairs to go find Troy and the kids. TJ don't want to call me. I guess it's too old for this place. You know, I have fun, I don't want to do anything. So we're gonna go find them now. And then afterwards, see, I'm dressed in bikini. So we're gonna try out the water park and we're done. But she's trying to insist saying we want to go to the arcade first. And it's raining, so I don't know it over, but we're gonna try it out and see how that works out, right? Because it's too expensive for us not to experience everything up in here. So we're just straightening TJ out to make sure it's them coming downstairs. So yeah. Let's see. Ooh, elevator, 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 elevator. Ooh. Got it. I'm the only one up in here. So we're going to the ground floor. So the place is really cool, guys. I mean, I would expect a bigger room and maybe nicer stuff inside, but it's okay, I guess. Oh, hi. Ground floor as well? Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Alright guys, the man coming out elevator and I'm not mistake, so I'm still a little bit scared of vlogging. People immediately decide. So we're gonna find them in the arcade. I think I see them. Hey! You shouldn't? Huh?
Get this, then get this, and you will one of you can get this.
You guys look for all the things and what they get already.
More sitting down in the say,
So the tickets them get them?
No tickets. They go a machine. Go a machine. I'm using a crane and take up them.
Oh, the windows?
Yeah, I take a crane and take them up. Take up this. I'm take up two.
The mature windows from when?
Two donuts and I do it for them. Then two, one you can take up and it's take up two for the price of one because of the accuracy.
Oh, you get you something, Tristan? Over there, sir?
Where one?
You get that? No. No, you can't lift up on it.
Where one?
The sitting up that frown yesterday, mature. It's cheap money. Tell me, wait, come this way. Huh?
I want to take them on.
And he was trying to get the Among Us too. No, Among Us over this. You got a ball? You want me to help you, babe? You got a baby shark?
This can lose out, so let me just lose it down and then pump it up. I think I just said.
No lose out yet. No lose out yet. You want to take the bag? Come this way, baby. Mom want to play arcade game too, you know? I don't think it's $100 left money because yesterday I put $50 first and the $50 done. And then I put $100 more.
124 points upon it right now.
The points, but not money.
No.
So let me help you with the bag. Look at this good girl with the bag, people. Come at me. Go with daddy. Wait. Oh, so are you sure you don't get the tablet?
I mean? Yeah. Watch out. Yeah, like on the answer, David. Like on the answer free now.
So Tristan, come this way.
114 left.
Come over this side, baby. No one paper. Guys, this is one side of the water park. There's another side over the other area there. So, trying to find a table. Charlie, come on now, we have to pay for air. What's the same thing? I don't have to walk with them. Guys, Savannah's having a blast in the water over there with her father. Where's I don't even know where they went. But Tristan is not having it. He doesn't even want to go to this, so we're chilling together. Alright, baby? Guys, Somebody just go off come to the water. Think nobody hear me. I'm not hearing me. Guys, it's crazy up in here. We're in a different section. You can see behind me. A different section where we're trying to get some food. Line long as usual. There are a lot of people over here. Oh my god. Whole heap of people. Them come at them to Labor Day weekend. So we're just trying to get some food. Hello guys, so today's our last day here. We're checking out today, but we'll check out the arcade one more time before we go. But this is it. So I want to tell you thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. And see you later guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.